इतने सालों में इंटरव्यू देने के बाद मैं आज पहली बार इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ, मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ। ओके, just wait and watch, wait and watch, wait and watch. I'm going to take now interview, someone's interview. Okay, बाकी श्री लिंक शेअर कर सगळ्यांनी, सगळ्या पाहुण्यांनी. माझं नोटिफिकेशन पडले का ना तुला? हे कर की लवकर.
ओके, चोर भाऊ लाईव्ह.
हा, पाठव सगळ्यांनी.
शेअर
आले ना? शेअर करा सगळ्यांनी. स्टेटस टाका लवकर. समोर कोणतरी लाईव्ह आले, कोण आले? मी आज पहिल्यांदा इंटरव्ह्यू घेणार आहे. फर्स्ट टाइम गोइंग टू टेक दिस इंटरव्ह्यू, सो आय एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. नॉट ॲज अ इंटरव्ह्यू, आय एम ॲज अ इंटरव्ह्यूअर. ओके, पाठव सगळ्यांना. हा, कुठला?
बाहेरचा आवाज नको तुम्हाला यायला.
Hi, first I am going to take this interview. Who is joined? Bhai, you can see my. I'm first I'm going to take this interview because every time I'm giving interviews, and first time I'm taking this interview. So stay with me. I'm super excited now. I'm a bit nervous also. I don't know. वो बंदा भी सुपर एक्साइटेड होगा इंटरव्यू देने के लिए, बट पहली बार मैं इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए सुपर एक्साइटेड. मैंने जिंदगी में पहली बार इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ. मैंने कुछ तैयारी की है भाई, कुछ क्वेश्चन निकाले हैं, तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. भाई आप लोग रहना, आखिर तक रहना. मेरी हालत बहुत खराब है, तो मैं देख रहा हूँ कि अभी क्या होने जा रहा है. Okay, so actually I'm not going to breach any policies because I'm not going to show you the company name, candidate name. So stay. I'm keeping. I'm under the policies only. So anytime if you get any such a thing, just don't block it. कौन है भाई? ये कौन गालियाँ दे रहा है मेरे को? भाई चुप रहे. तो जो लोग नए ज्वाइन हुए उसको बता रहा हूँ मैं कि आज मैं पहली बार इंटरव्यू देने जा रहा हूँ. पहले इंटरव्यू लेने जा रहा हूँ. सो ओके, हाय ओंकार आई. wait. I have also prepared few questions, so let's see how it's gonna work. So ऑलमोस्ट सिर्फ 5 मिनट बाकी है अभी मेरे इंटरव्यू में. सो लेट्स सी. मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन निकाले हैं 2-3 पेज में। पहली बार ऐसा लग रहा है कि इंटरव्यू देने से ज़्यादा लेने वाले को भी स्टडी करनी पड़ती है। Am I visible, right? Just someone please confirm me. Hello, hello, hello. हॅलो हॅलो ओंकार वहिनी जरा एकदा कन्फर्म करा मी दिसतो या तिथं चॅट मध्ये येस और नो काय ते सांगा. ओके ओके ठीक आहे. शेअर करा लाईक करा व्हिडिओला पहिल्यांदा लाईक करा म्हणजे लाईव्हला पहिल्यांदा लाईक करा. मेरे दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम गोइंग टू टेक दिस इंटरव्यू अँड I believe this is my third time I'm live on the YouTube. Okay. Okay, great. So let's take. ऑलमोस्ट मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में 20 से 30 इंटरव्यू दिए हैं और पहली बार इंटरव्यू लेने जा रहा हूँ. क्वेश्चन वही रहेंगे, मैं जो अभी तक स्टडी किया है वही रहेगा, बट इस बार में स्क्रीन के उस पार नहीं. जो स्क्रीन हमेशा ब्लैक रहती थी, हमें पता ही नहीं रहता कि सामने इंटरव्यू में हु इज टेकिंग आवर इंटरव्यू, हाउ दैट पर्सन इज लुकिंग. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड, आई एम बिट नर्वस ऑल्सो. Okay, so let's see. Then it was time when I was also struggling for interviews, arranging interviews, scheduling interviews, getting the and giving the good interviews, taking feedbacks, positive, negative. Sometimes it may be negative also. But then also I struggled. I came across. Now this time came, this day came finally when I am taking the interviews first time. This is my first experience ever in my life, so I'm going to get to take someone's interview. So let's see how it's gonna go. Probably at least I should take this interview at least 20-30 minutes. Oh. Guys, share this live first time. I'm first time live now, so share this with someone, with your friends and all. मैं एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रहा हूँ इंटरव्यू लेने का, इंटरव्यू देने का नहीं. Just give me a second. Okay. I'm rejoining back. Okay. Okay, interview started again. Just a minute. I just wait for some time. I'm going to take first time interview. Okay. Who is online? Bhagyashree. मी पहिल्यांदा इंटरव्ह्यू घ्यायला लागलोय. तीन सुपर फॅन्स. Okay, I'm going to start now. Finally. Okay, I'm joining. Just wait. Hello. Hi, Kalambi. Good morning. Yeah, Aisha, good morning.
Sayed?
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah. Please turn on your camera. Don't hide your face, please. Okay. Perfect. Don't do. Okay. It is done. Thank you. Thank you, Deep. You can start the interview.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, sure. So let's start with your brief introduction.
Yeah. So I have around 6 years of experience in PLM center domain. So including DC configuration, ActiveSpace configuration, plus DC customization, mostly active customization, and some migration experience and upgrade experience. So in Team Center configuration is I have worked on the previous Team Center modules, and in case of ID customization is AYD factor customization plus using customization using Visual Studio Code I know, and in ActiveSpace side, so I have exposure to ActiveSpace configuration plus a bit of ActiveSpace customization also I know.
Okay. So you have good exposure on AWS customization also?
Not yes, 100%, yeah, to 60-70%.
Okay. Okay. So do you know how to build AWC?
Yeah, so first of all, we have to go for Team Center, root, DC root, then AWS2. So we have to open a command prompt and run the init environment.cmd. Then we have to make any changes. For example, we are creating one field, some location command. Then afterwards we have to go for AWS.com.
Okay. And after AWS build, before, do we need to do something?
After interpreting the, for example, any command you have we have written, so we want to change some, means we have to add some condition, okay, on the visibility of command, some location, its location we have to change. So that
Sure.
changes we have to do.
Yeah, I mean, I'm asking regarding publish only. So, do you know how to publish that, whatever changes we are going to make? So, how are we going to publish those?
In the AWS, very command, means both build and publish. Yeah, both will be covered.
Okay. So, have you created any sub-locations, locations?
Yes, system.
Okay. What?
Artificial.
Okay, so can you please explain how you have created completely and delivered that?
So first of all, we have to set the environment variables like edit environment.command. Then next is we have to go for Imran generate module. Then we have to choose sublocation. Sublocation option. Then we have to use location. First location is there. We have to provide that location. Then we have to give that sublocation name and all. Yeah, that's when we are able to capture.
Yeah.
Understand.
You have worked on the 4 tiles, right?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Can you please explain architecture and how user request is flowing?
Yeah, so high level I know. It's, first of all, whatever actually we have two types of architecture, 2 tier, 4 tier. In case of 4 tier, we have additional enterprise here and web tier. In 2 tier we have resource layer and client tier. So whatever request is coming from client tier, okay, so it will go to web tier. Okay, so it's an intermediate connection between enterprise tier and the client tier. So it will process the login request and installation request, any request. So here it will process that request and go to enterprise tier. There our business logic is there. Okay, any security rules and that kind of stuff is added in the enterprise tier.
Okay.
And the enterprise tier will retrieve and output the data in the database accordingly. So, yeah, like that.
Okay. Okay, so how exactly enterprise tier is communicating with our resources?
So there we have pool services.
Okay.
And the server manager.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will connect with that database.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And okay, continue.
Yeah. That's for data travel or any data ID.
Okay, so but actually into database, how it exactly request is flowing? What is going on?
That person, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Do you know metadata what it is?
Metadata, it's information in tabular form, details of object properties and values. Like.
Okay. Do you know the difference between servers and volumes? Okay.
So whatever physical file is there, that is kept in volumes. Servers, not sure 100%, but there we have some installables, directories like that.
Okay. Okay. Understood. So, in Team Center, on what are all modules you have worked?
Team Center, name ID, my Team Center, structure management, workflow designer, classic, data of MPP, and query builder, TLX, command generation. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, what you have worked in the MPP?
MPP in my last organization. So there we have support project. Okay. So already they are creating some structures using automation. In background they are calling integrabilities, dispatcher service. So what they are doing, so they are having some template bill of process and using it template bill of process plus an engineering bomb. So they are getting one product bill of process. Using product bill of process and one another template bill of process they are creating delivery bill of process. Then bomb, and then they are sending data to SAP. So this generation of bill of process and bomb is automated.
Okay.
Using IT systems. In background they are calling IT utilities. Yeah.
So
this project is more focused on MPP.
So, you know, right? In MPP we have kids and phantoms. Do you know what is meant by kids and phantoms?
I heard not kids but phantoms, but right now I'm not capturing what is that. Phantoms.
Yeah, no worries. So, you have worked on the EBOM, right? Instructor manager.
Structure manager, yeah, I have not specifically configured in EBOM, but there it's as I already told. So in MPP means they are creating using ITD activities, means MBOM.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the exact difference between EBOM and MBOM?
EBOM is having design information.
Okay.
And MBOM is having design information plus whatever is needed for manufacturing assembly. So that extra parts. Okay. So that all information design MBOM.
Okay. So, do you know what is meant by revision rule? How it works?
Revision rule is used to set is what because we have to see some configured revisions, okay, based on status, revision effectivity, as a release date, and precise like that. So we have configured the behavior of revision. Okay, so which revision should be appeared in our structure.
Okay. So, do you know what is meant by global alternative?
Global alternate means it's kind of unless yeah we anywhere we can it's a replacement part. Okay, so we can use anywhere wherever it is required. But this is yeah. So actually some temporary replacement is there and some there is no what I can say. The part card is available or not available, but we can replace it with a global account.
Okay. Have you worked on Query Builder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's this.
So what are types of queries we have?
Types of queries. Not sure. Types. Can you somewhat
Yeah, no problem. Okay. Do you know what is like classes in queries?
Yeah, classes mean that return type. Okay. Which class we are returning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which object? Yeah.
So you have worked on the ITK side also, right? So,
Yes.
okay. What are all things you have done in ITK? Server side?
ITK is almost all things handlers, extensions, utilities.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know any example for pre-action extensions?
Reaction, extension. Yeah, for example, we have one relation, custom relation. So when we are relating any secondary object using that particular relation, so we have to detach that license assigned to that secondary object. So yeah, this is one example of pre-action.
Okay. So let's consider on one of business object we have a precondition and a pre-action. So which one will get triggered first?
Precondition.
Okay, and why is it?
Because precondition is before that action, okay, so it will validate that condition. So this is what precondition, and pre-action means before that action, okay, so we are performing one action.
Okay. So what are all things you have done in BMID?
BMID, we are assigned properties, new business object, then adding new LOBs, new extensions,
Okay.
status, new standards, like that.
Okay. So let's consider any property you have added on business object, and you want to be this property should be required. So what you will do? This you while adding user, the item that the property should visible on the page of the item create, and that should be required also. So how you will configure this?
Yeah. So on the VMID, okay, so there is one tab create inputs. So there we have to set we have to add that property. So it will be available on creation page. That's one property constant. We have to make it required. It's requirement. So we have to make it true. That property constant.
Okay. Have you worked on the property formatters? Do you know what it is?
Yeah, property formatters, specifically I have not worked. I know these are to manipulate that values. Um, for example, some trading zeros, the one that means we are forwarding the value of the property.
Okay.
So yeah,
Mhm. Okay. So, have you created any handlers in BMID?
uh, BMID no, but I know the procedure. Visual Studio generally Visual Studio yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no
But
issue.
on the
Mhm. So, how in Visual Studio we are registering the handlers in your registration process?
in Visual yeah, so in the Visual Studio means first of all we have to uh, register that particular uh, DLX custom register exit. Then operational handler, is action handler and root handler. Then we have to add one reference PC customization libraries. With the criteria. So this is the procedure. Hello.
Okay. So, I mean, you have not worked in the BMID for handlers.
No, no, no.
Okay.
So already template is there. So there I have added some handlers. But I know so how to yeah, how to add the extension. Yeah. It's a base extension on session user subject, BMS session registers and
Mhm.
does operation. Yeah,
Okay.
the base.
Yeah. And which type of handlers you have created?
Both rule and action.
Okay. Can you please explain the action handler?
Action handler.
Mhm.
Uh, so action handler. Mm,
भाऊ गंडलाय काय समजा.
I'm not getting.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So, have you created extensions?
Yeah, yes. Yes.
Okay. Can you please explain any post action, which extension you have created?
Yeah. So, precondition extensions, precondition extension are created on moment business object, on property BL sequence number, and it's a precondition. So, this is to validate at a particular level, we should not have a duplicate file number, sequence number. So, yeah.
Okay. So for that, what are the APIs and how you have to transfer this?
Yeah. So, API means bomb related APIs. This bomb create window, a bomb set top line, window top line. Then bomb line asks all file lines. Then bomb line asks, sorry, not bomb, AM asks value string for getting the property value. And yeah, then bomb window close.
Okay. Do you know in ITK we have AE? AE is for which APIs we are
Data
working?
set.
Okay.
Data set.
Okay. And WSM?
Workspace object. Workspace object. Workspace access. Workspace.
Okay. So, do you know the exact difference between POM and AOM?
Uh, form it's form is used for it's kind of this that's what we are writing in SQL, right? So same query we can write using form and queries, and we can directly hit the database. This appears the directly in the database. So it is
Those who are new, I just tell you, I'm taking interview first time. Okay, wait.
So you means when we call that API, so it will go to Team Center, then it will go to database. So yeah, it is little bit slower than this form.
Okay.
Form.
Yeah. In using ITK, how many ways we have to fetch the items?
How many
Ways
the items of
we can we can query, or like how many ways so we will get the item.
How many? Okay, so query find one way, then item find item, then form and query also we can use.
Okay.
WSM search.
Okay. So, have you worked on this SOA customization?
No.
Okay. So, do you know how wave frame technologies work?
That's right. No idea, but students have its own web graphics service.
Do you know what is meant by wave model and modules? Wave model and modules.
No.
Okay, no issue. So, have you created any models in the AWC?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the things you have done in AWC and
AWC, so style sheet customization, so DCP, and type creation, then command creation, module, theme, and
Pankaj bhai,
JS, some JSON file changes. So, yeah, command visualization.
Okay. Do you know how any request is flowing in AWS from UI to models?
No.
Okay, no problem. Okay, sure, no issue. I have done from my side. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.
Yeah. फाइनली भाई मैंने फर्स्ट अपने जिंदगी का फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू ले लिया है. First time I took this interview as an interviewer. Every time I was giving interviews, lot of interviews. First time he was bit confident on some topics, but few things which I required, or I mean company which asked, somewhere he maybe have not that much confident, or not that much knowledge he have. So but then also he did good. Whatever things he have done, that is also good. because a lot of modules which he worked, that is completely different, and few only people in the industry working on those. So yeah, at the end I believe he should join the organization. He can gives his inputs to make organization more stronger. Okay, so this was my first and second live. Okay, so you can tell me how it was, uh, and you can give me feedback here on YouTube next time whenever I'm going to live. So please join and share my links, so this will be gives confidence to you also to grow more by knowledge, by confidence. So okay, have a nice day to all of you, and uh, have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye.